So I'm going to show you how to turn off your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, on the right hand side of your phone, whether it's open or closed, you should see the volume rockers and the power button. So all you have to do is long press the two buttons together. And if you long press for about 2 to 3 seconds, you will see the power menu. So you can tap on power off and then tap on that again, and that's going to turn off your Z Fold 7. Now, alternatively, you can swipe down from the top right, and then at the top there, you'll see a power button, this one right here. You tap on it. Once again, it brings up the power menu. Tap on that and then tap on it again, and that's going to turn off your phone. Now, you can also do this on the cover screen. So from the cover screen, if you swipe down and then tap on this power button, it brings up the power menu, and you can tap on it and then tap on it again to turn off. Once again, volume down and power, press and hold together for about 2 to 3 seconds. You can see the power menu again. Tap on that, and then, like I said, as soon as you tap on that again, it turns off your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.